Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Google Chrome introduced vertical tabs starting with version 146, March 2026. You can enable or disable them directly from the tab bar or via Chrome settings. If the option isn't visible, you may need to activate it through Chrome flags. Update Chrome. Make sure you're running Google Chrome version 146 or later. Go to Menu, then Help, then About Google Chrome to check and update. Enable vertical tabs. Right-click on any tab. Select Show Tabs vertically. Tabs will move from the top bar to a sidebar on the left. You can collapse and expand tabs, or you can go to Settings, then Appearance. Then select the tab position. If option not visible, type in the address bar. Search for vertical tabs. Set it to enabled. Restart Chrome. Disable vertical tabs. Right-click on the tab sidebar and select Show Tabs horizontally, or go to Settings, then Appearance, then select the tab position. If you enabled it via Chrome flags, set the flag back to disabled and restart Chrome. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.